We have Em back in the shop.
Hello.
And I just found out that she has bought an entire pallet of Rustic Lumber Epoxy.
This is true.
So I just wanted to know, like, you know, how you used it, obviously, for like almost since we've gotten it.
Mm-hmm.
And so how's it been for you? How, you know, what is it that you really like about it? And I guess what's got you ready to invest already into the entire pallet, into the whole pallet?
Well, yeah, so far I've really been loving the Rustic Lumber Epoxy. It's super easy to use. I love the deep pour. I can set up my molds and then do one giant pour of the epoxy, so it's just kind of time saving. It's easy to work with, easy to sand. It produces really great results. I also really love the low VOC component to it, so it's safer to use. And yeah, overall it's just a really great product.
Awesome. Well, thank you. That's awesome. And I'm saying, I think Zach's talked about, like, you know, basically welcome part to the epoxy team, because you're with us. So all right. Well, thank you so much, Em, for stopping by.
Yeah.
And tell everybody where they can find you.
You can find me out in Valley, Nebraska. That's where my shop is. Ems Woodwork for Instagram and Facebook, and then emswoodwork.squarespace.com for my website.